Hello, hello. This is Donna Denson, the Dynamic Diabetic, coming to you today with the Diabetic Minute for everyone who wants to get and stay healthy. Today's kind of a quick day, guys, but I wanted to talk to you for a minute about baking soda, something we all have around usually. And I wanted to talk about storing it, taking care of it, because some things I didn't know, with maybe you don't know either, so I would like to share. You know, we use them for baking, cooking, disinfecting, odors, cleaning. They're even a fire extinguisher. If you need it, you can use baking soda, okay? But if we don't store it correctly, it's not any good. It doesn't help us at all. The boxes that baking soda traditionally come in don't reseal, and so they go bad, and they go bad quicker than you would think, okay? So if you want to use baking soda, and I do whenever I bake or anything, I also, you probably too have had a box you open, you put it in the refrigerator to absorb odors, right? You know, the one thing about that is if you use the baking soda that you've had in the refrigerator, those odors go with it. So don't do that. If you put it in your refrigerator, that's just for your refrigerator, right? You need another box if you're going to bake or cook. And then also that taste goes in your food, so you don't want to do that. Baking soda tends to lose its potency within 6 months. Okay, so if you've had a box sitting on the shelf, it's time for a new box. Okay, and the best way to store it, guys, is to put it in a glass jar or in a container that's airtight. And some of them you can get what have like a shaker top that has another top that goes over it. If you can have one of those, that is a great way to use your baking soda, especially for cleaning and freshening and that sort of thing. A little harder to measure, but that will keep it much longer, safer. And a cooler or drier place is also much better for it than anywhere where it's going to get hot or damp, anything like that. Some of this common sense, guys, but I really didn't realize that just sitting in the box, even if it wasn't open, it would go bad that quick. You know, I just didn't realize that. I've used baking soda in recipes, I'm sure that was way past date. You probably have too, but if we want to get the most out of it, excuse me, then we definitely want to make sure that we're storing it correctly, okay? Like I said, short and sweet today, just a little info on baking soda because I saw it and I thought it was interesting and worth sharing because we're all trying to be healthy and do the right things and make sure we're taking care of ourselves the best that we possibly can, right? So, thank you for being here. I hope you'll share the video and the information. Subscribe wherever you're listening. I hope I found you safe. I hope I found you well, and I hope I found you happy. This is Donna Denson, the Dynamic Diabetic. May God bless and keep you until we connect again. Bye for now. Have a wonderful, wonderful day.